Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm working on my Pulsar 220 and I've decided to give its rims a fresh new look. Let's dive in and see how it all turns out. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. We need to remove the tires to prep the rims for coloring. Step 2. Thoroughly wash the rims to remove any dust, grease, or oil. A clean surface is key for a smooth and lasting finish. Step 3. After washing, use an alcohol-based wipe to clean the rim surface thoroughly. This helps remove any stubborn residue, and also aids in stripping off traces of old paint for better adhesion. Step 4. This is a crucial step. Mask off the areas you don't want painted. Proper masking ensures clean edges and protects other parts from accidental overspray. Step 5. Time to finish the paint job. With everything prepped and masked, apply the paint evenly. And now, here are the final results.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the